The unsung heroes of the hospital, nurses, are being recognized nationally this month. As I discovered during my multiple stays in the hospital, medical surgical nurses do a lot, and it goes well beyond giving out medications. They are the one patients often lean on emotionally during their recovery. And at SSM St. Joseph's in St. Charles, the compassion one nurse showed made the difference for the father of one of our area's best athletes as he fought off infection.
The person pushing John Burley along the hallway is more than his nurse.
How would you describe her?
Angel.
Hannah Bassett has been there for John.
She's been with me through it thick and thin all the way.
And they've been through it all.
Some laughing moments, some crying moments, some scary moments.
It seems like when I woke up, the majority of the time she was there.
John's son is former major leaguer Mark Burley.
I had no clue who he was, who his son was.
But doing more for John wasn't about who he is. It is the job of the med-surg nurse.
It's pretty demanding, and you have to want it.
A med-surg nurse is the person who helps the patient
Feeling all right?
go from surgery to recovery to their release from the hospital.
I have to have those skills and knowledge to just jump in and take care of them.
She knew I needed her.
John came to SSM in bad shape.
My most vulnerable hour of sickness.
He spent 50 days in the hospital.
I was so sick.
Helping John also meant keeping him from hurting himself.
I found him crawling, army walking. He was going to the airport.
They can laugh about it now, but not all the moments for med-surg nurses turn out so well.
The stories aren't so great, and you just remember the times that you had with those patients.
Hannah and John have certainly shared their emotions, and it has created a special bond.
It's like family.
However, Hannah wouldn't mind wheeling John out of the hospital and not seeing him for a while.
I know that I'll stay in contact with him, but I don't want to see him in here.
Pretty special bond that they have now. Now, John was so moved by the way Hannah took care of him that he wrote the hospital a letter, and Hannah received a special award from the hospital.
Wow.
Hats off to the two of them.
Yeah, and your recovery required a long stay in the
Yeah.
hospital too. I mean, those
Nurses meant everything because they're the ones you talk to all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Actually see the nurse more than you see the doctor.
Yeah, that's incredible.